So we have just we have just inserted slicers to be able to filter this data based on different parameters. Now the question is, can we also have a slicer for the dates? So for example, we can filter the data by months or by years or by dates. Well, yes, we definitely have. We can use slicer for that as well, but we have an even better option, and that is basically called timeline. So to insert timeline, to be able to filter data on the basis of time, all I have to do is that I have to go back to my top bar here and click on analyze, and here right beside the slicer you will see the option of insert timeline. So I'll click on insert timeline here, and all the columns in your data which have date will appear. So I actually want to filter data by transaction date, so I will click this one and I will press OK. And you can see that Excel has inserted a timeline for you, and if I can just make it bigger, you can see that it is actually showing you all the months right from the end to the beginning to the end. So what we can really do is that we can if I just show you how it is working, if I just click on any month, you will see that all the data in this particular table has changed to represent that particular month only. And by the way, the other tables will not change unless we report the connections for that particular particular slicer. And if I click on any other month, you will see that the values will actually change. But before I do that, what I will need to do is that I will need to show you this option here, that other than months you can actually choose quarters or even years. So I will select years for now, so that I have a small slicer available that I can place on the top, and I can actually pull them together to make sure that we have both the years selected. And now I will just right click on this slicer here, and I will click on report connection, and I will select all the tables that are available in this particular sheet. And once you have selected all of them, just press OK, and here you have a ready slicer by using which you can filter all the data available in the sheet. So I think I should be having some nice place to put it, but anyways, just I will place it here for now. And now if I press 2018, all the different tables should change accordingly. And by the way, before I click on 2018, just to remind you, in 2018 we only had sales from US, right? No sales from Mexico and Canada. Now I'm clicking on 2018, and here you go, we don't have any sales from Canada. All the values have reduced to 176 actually, to represent the same sales that was coming from USA in that particular year. Now I will press on 2019, and all the different countries would appear. So in 2019 we have total sales from USA, Mexico and Canada combined together 369, and these values have also been adjusted accordingly to represent 2019 and 18 as well. If you have to bring in both of these countries together, you can click on this remove filter, or you can just click here and drag it towards the left, and you can see that now we have data from both of the years. So just like slicers, this timeline is also very useful.